This is your Custody Exchange Parenting Plan template. To make a plan, first check that this is showing the right location for your case. It affects some of the wording and options that you'll see. Then choose which of your kids this plan will apply to. Usually, you'll select all your kids under 18. Include their full names and birth dates. Then you'll choose your parenting schedule. If you select one you made in Custody Exchange, the parenting plan will explain it with clear, detailed language and visuals. If you haven't made a schedule yet, do that under the blue Calendar tab. Now, to wrap up your plan settings, add space for signatures or notarization, depending on what your court requires. And now you're ready to enter the provisions parents will have to follow if this plan goes into effect. Always fill out these first two categories. Check the provisions you want and skip any that don't feel relevant. At the bottom of each category, you can enter custom provisions. When you enter one, space for another appears. You may want to look through all the categories before you enter custom provisions, since the one you have in mind may be covered elsewhere. This delete button will clear the category, but we want to save our changes. Feel free to ignore categories that aren't important to you. Miscellaneous is just for custom provisions that don't fit well anywhere else. Let's look at transportation next. If you're on the fence about including a provision, include it. Even if a judge approves the rule, you can generally agree to ignore it, but it'll be there for when you can't agree. If you link accounts with your lawyer, they can make and edit plans for you. On the other hand, your co-parent cannot access your parenting plans so that you can work privately. When you're ready to show a plan to your co-parent, click here. And here's your plan. These case details come from your account settings, so go there if you need to make changes. From here, you can save as a Word document or PDF or print. In a Word doc, you'll be able to make further edits. Back on the main page, click here to manage your plans. This is how you start another plan from scratch. You might want multiple plans if you're creating proposals. And this is how you rename a plan. Hopefully you're ready to dive into your own parenting plan now. If you have any questions, visit custodyexchange.com/help or contact us in the app.